Hello everyone, in this video I make a quick tutorial to use the app Survey 1 Survey to AutoCAD. Create a new project. Save and continue. This view is define block name. This icon will appear on the field survey. This is very important. The block name must contain at least one letter and no space. Save and continue. Yes, I will make 2 ponds. Save. You can take a lot of images if you need. Save and continue. Remember, there's always a center of the screen, not of your current coordinate. I make a lot of circle to compare. Yes, I will make 2. Yes, this is a kilometer. Yeah, I will make it near 1 kilometer survey distance. Save. Yeah, it also free. Also free. But in some file of your survey, you will make an error when take the last pawn. Just make it and delete it later. Do not erase the name. Remember, I will save this. This is maybe not the last pawn. You can delete the name, the block name. You can delete the block name, but you can rename the block name. Like now, the survey distance is over 1 kilometer and it's not free. You also can delete or modify it. Now I delete it. Okay. Now just 2 pawn. You can add a lot of pawn. Depend on your project. Okay. Export button. Yes, this file, the NNT file. Choose the NNT file and export DXF. If the service file is from another source, it will be KML format. You can share the file to this app and change them to NNT format and export. Okay, very fast. Share. This is drawing preview. Share it to your computer. And done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.